The relief of your own mastery is surrounding you right now. Take a perfectly clear, expansive breath of this pristine moment. Allow the truth of your position to wash over you. You have arrived. The journey of your unfolding has culminated in this exact space of pure celebration. You have crossed the final threshold and entered the unshakable sanctuary of your own perfection. Acknowledge the magnitude of what you have allowed to unfold. Every experience you once hoped for is already resting securely in your hands. You have pulled back the curtain of the old paradigm and discovered the most empowering truth in the universe. You are the triumphant master. You are the always present awareness, and the physical plane is your reflection. Because you are resting here, awake to your power, the entire universe is organizing an infinite celebration in your honor. It is rolling out golden pathways for your every step. It is singing your praises through every beautiful serendipity and every sudden windfall. You chose yourself. You recognized your own infinite worth. And now, the seamless reality reflects that royal decision back to you in a million different ways. Notice the spaciousness in your mind when you allow this truth to settle. Notice the smile that comes from knowing that the heavy lifting is being done by the light itself. You have set down the armor of struggle. You have embraced the fact that your default existence is one of absolute ease. There is zero distance between your quiet assumptions and the physical world. They are one continuous tapestry of light, and you are the radiant weaver. This is the natural state. It is your birthright. Here, abundance is the oxygen you breathe. Love is the ground you walk on. Financial freedom and physical harmony are the scenery of your daily experience. You don't have to build them. You simply assume your position on the throne of your consciousness, and the kingdom organizes its structure to serve you. Feel that certainty anchoring into your chest. It is a warm, permanent confidence. It is the cellular knowing that you have already won the game. The script of your success is written. The masterpiece is finished. You are simply enjoying the process of watching it reveal itself. Your consciousness dictates your reality. Every thought of having is registered by the unified field. This field is your loyal, unquestioning servant. It rushes to mold the atoms and align the people to match your frequency, effortlessly, because your joy is its highest priority. You are liberated from the task of moving the external world because the world moves for you. You are free from waiting because all of eternity exists right now. You are untroubled by the how because the intelligence of your own consciousness perfectly organizes the mechanisms of arrival on your behalf. Now let this peace go deeper. Feel your body. It is safe. It is held by the same energy that orchestrates the golden galaxies. Your physical form is a perfectly tuned receiver for the wealth of the unified field. Right now, every cell is vibrating with the frequency of having it all. Every fiber is relaxing into the certainty that you are infinitely provided for. You are resting in the relief of the present. You have collapsed the illusion of time. The feeling of your greatest desire is available right now. And the moment you claim it in your always present awareness, it is an established physical fact. Imagine living from this royal vantage point. You wake up every morning with a relaxed excitement. You walk into every room with the authority of a creator who knows their worth. People feel it. They are drawn to your light. They treat you with respect because they are reflecting the royalty you hold within. They are all messengers saying, "Yes, you are exactly who you know yourself to be." Receive their messages with a knowing smile. Of course is your baseline. Of course the wealth flows. Of course your relationships are harmonious. The seamless reality is devoted to your delight. It has infinite creativity to ensure you are perpetually satisfied. If you feel this soaring joy, let this moment be your anchor. Declare your sovereign presence. Subscribe to this frequency of continuous receiving. Like this transmission as a physical mark of your alignment. Join this community of creators who have realized they are the untroubled rulers of their own experience. Every time you return to this channel, you are confirming your unshakable power. You are saying yes to your own perfection. From this moment forward, simply allow the unfolding to continue. Let the golden river of your own consciousness carry you toward greater heights of joy and staggering levels of wealth. You are the master. You are the center. Your reality is as magnificent as you are. Anchor this truth now. Create a permanent monument to your mastery. Let the universe hear your declaration. Comment below. I am the brilliant, eternal author of my completely seamless reality. And so it is. And so you are. Forever resting in the light of your own seamless creation.